Slow blues in A. Okay, this is a slow blues in A. You can either use your pick or your thumb. In my demonstration, I was using my thumb. And then my thumb and my second finger. So I'm plucking the fifth string open while my second and third fingers. Second finger is on the fourth string, second fret. My third finger is playing the second fret, second string. Open A. And then I'm plucking the fourth and second strings at the same time. That's pretty much the pattern I'm doing for the entire song, unless I'm going up to the fourth string. Then I'm plucking the fourth string, and then third and first strings. This is slow blues. It's meant to be played slow. So let's try it. All right. Take a screenshot of the first two staffs, because then there's a lead that goes along with this as well, so you don't want to miss the lead at all. But I'm going to leave it up to you. You can try it either way. See whether you're more comfortable using your pick and your second finger. You can use your pick and your second finger, or just your thumb and your second finger. And that, once again, is using your thumb and then on the fifth string, and then your thumb on the fourth string, and your second finger is also plucking the second string. And here's your fingering. Open A. Once again, fourth string, second fret, second string, second fret. Then the open A. Now your first finger will be playing the second string, third fret, and your second finger is playing fourth string, fourth fret. And you're always alternating that open A. Open A again. Now your second and third fingers, you're on the fourth string, second string with your third finger, but you're on the fifth fret. Okay? Now, you're going to play that 4 times. Then twice, you're going to play the open D. And instead of playing fourth and second strings, now you're going to play the third and the first strings with the same position, with your second finger on top and your third finger on the bottom, first string. And you're skipping that second string. But now you're hitting the open D string. The fourth string, then you're plucking at the same time with your thumb and your second finger the third and first strings. Open D again. Now you have that similar position, but your first finger is going to be on the third fret, first string. Your second finger is on the third string, fourth fret. So from the beginning of the 4, and then the open D again, and you're plucking with your thumb and your second finger on the 5th fret, okay? Second finger, 5th fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 5th fret, 1st string. Then you go back to the beginning, where you pluck the 5th string with your thumb. And then you're plucking the 4th and 2nd strings. Now, what's a little different is you're going to hit that E, because we're playing slow blues in A. 99% of the time when you're playing a blues, you're playing the 1, the 4, and the 5. So if we're starting in the key of A is the 1, A, B, C, D, that's the 4. Then what's the 5? You got it, A, B, C, D, and E. So now we're on the E. We're going to pluck the 6th string with the thumb. And the 1st finger, put your 1st finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 1st string, 4th fret. Now you're going to change. If you're using your thumb, you're going to pluck with your 1st and your 2nd fingers. Like this. And then the open E. Now you're going to bar the first 2 strings on the 5th fret with your 3rd finger. Hit that open E again. And with your 3rd finger, or your 1st finger, whatever you're more comfortable with. Or you're going to bar the 7th frets. Okay? 1st and 2nd strings. So here's that part again. Remember, like this now. Thumb and your first 2 fingers on the 2nd and 1st strings. Now we're going to go to the 4. Pay attention to those Roman numerals. So the open D. Then back to the A. So that's all you got to do. It's once you get the pattern down, you can do it. The lead is very simple. Okay, if you're into learning leads, check out all my channels. I mean my videos on my channel. I have a lot of videos on how to play different scales that'll be very helpful to you aspiring lead guitarists. So here's the lead. We're going to start on the 4th string, 7th fret, and we're going to use down up. So you notice that those marks, like the box and like the caret, well, the boxy looking one indicates a down pick, and this is an up pick. So once again, we're on the 4th string, 7th fret with a down pick. We're going to play 7-5 on the 4th string, 7 on the 5th string, and then 5-7 on the 4th string. Then we get to the 3rd string on the 5th fret with your 1st finger. Give it a little vibrato. So it's, we'll play that 4 times. Now we're going to start on the 3rd string, 7th fret with the 3rd finger. Exact same thing. So it's 7th fret, 5th fret on the 3rd string this time. Go to the 7th fret, 4th string. Now we'll go back to the 3rd string with your 1st finger and play the 5th fret, and then the 7th fret with your 3rd finger. But we're gonna use our 2nd finger on the 6th string, 2nd string, 6th fret. I'm sorry. So it's and vibrato. Remember, vibrato means don't move your fingers. Try to move your forearm and your wrist. Kind of like similar to like a bend. And then back to the 1. Now on the 3rd string, we're going to start on the 9th fret with the 3rd finger. 9-7, 3-1. Go to the 4th string with your 3rd finger. Back to the 7th fret, 3rd string with your 1st finger. 9th fret, 3rd finger. 2nd string, 8th fret with your 2nd finger, vibrato. So it's play that once. Then go back to the 4, and back to the 1. And so, as I indicated, I used the 1, the 4, the 5. So you play the 1 4 times, the 4 twice, the 1 2 times, and then you're going to go back. You're going to go actually to the 5, to the 4 once, and the 1. That's the rhythm. But for the lead, I also indicated the Roman numerals 1 4 5. So you play the 1 4 times, the 4 2 times, the 1 2 times, the 5, the 4, and the 1. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.